We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
And today I want to talk about something that I read recently. It was a survey that was done by the Tourism Bureau here in Taipei. And they're trying to find out what are the most popular landmarks and places to go in Taipei. For instance, at number one, as far as the most popular landmark, of course, right now, the tallest building in the whole wide world, the Taipei 101. They ended up at number one. Number two is the newly built Ferris wheel over at the Miramar Entertainment Park. And that's also a very beautiful site to visit. As far as night markets, because night market is such a big thing here in Taiwan, the best night market that was voted by the survey, or that was done by the survey, is the Shilling Night Market. And then, as far as the best or the most popular food here in Taiwan, it's the beef noodles. Oh, I'm getting hungry again. 常常我们在教客家都会教一些食物，都好肚子好饿哦。
肚子摇呀。
And one more, 还有一个就是 for those people who want to see the night view of Taipei, the best place, 阳明山。
永明山。
So 我们就来教这些地标，这些大家喜欢去的地方哈。你刚刚讲了一个
永明山。
永明山 ，that's 阳明山。You can see beautiful night vision of Taipei City. 刚刚讲台北101。
台北熱冷熱。
剛好順便教一下數字，台北。
台北。
台北熱冷熱。Okay, that's Taipei 101. How about the 摩天輪 the Ferris wheel?
摩天輪。
摩天輪，這也蠻簡單的，跟國語很像。摩天輪 that's the Ferris wheel. Night market, 尤其是士林夜市。
士林夜市。
Okay, so 夜市 is night market, but 士林 is the most popular one. So 士林夜市 is the 士林 night market. And finally, back to food, 牛肉麵 beef beef noodles, yummy.
牛肉面
哦，这个好难念哦。牛肉面啊，什么？好像你在吃牛肉面了。
牛肉面
OK， 这个好可爱，听起来好像你在吃牛肉面。
牛肉面。
没错。There you go. That's beef noodles. So there you have it. Hope you have time to visit some of these places. And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是谁？張偉亮。
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.